All right, as you can see here, what we're gonna do here is a temp fade. So one of the things I often get asked a lot of times is how to fade this temp fade on over curly hair, right? Because you can see, if you look at it closely, you can see it's kind of bulky right in here, right? Because this grows out longer, and most people take the little taper right here and then they just kind of push it up as high as possible and then put some enhancement on it and let it go on about its day, right? So what I'm gonna do is show you the same thing I do no matter how long the hair is on top. So how long the hair is on top doesn't matter to me, because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my clipper, and after I have this picked out nice, but you see how clunky it looks, I'm gonna take a 2-guard and I'm gonna lay this down right here. The reason why I say you can go with a 2-guard is because a 2 is going to leave the hair still dark enough where you can make a seamless transition. It doesn't matter to me how long the hair is on top. When it's over coily texture, take a 2-guard and lay it down just like that. Okay? So you take it down, lay it down just like that. Now that we cut a lot of that bulk off, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start my skin taper down at the bottom. Once I have my skin taper down there, I'm gonna take this 1.5 just to lower it a little bit. Now, you didn't really hear anything come off, right? So what I'm gonna do now is that means it's time to start fading up. So I'm gonna take this 1.5, start fading up a little bit. I still have the lever closed because the 1.5 and 2 is still very, very close in measurement, right? So then I'm gonna start taking that, right? Left corner to the left, right corner to the right. Then I'm gonna grab my next lowest guard, which is a 1. Left corner to the left, comb it, right corner to the right. Now, the key here is you don't want to keep doing the same thing over and over again. You really wanna stick and move. Because if you keep doing the same thing over and over again, what ends up happening is you start to create another line. So now I'm gonna close it halfway. You can see that. Same thing. And I know if it's quiet in the background, you can hear the hair. Now I'm gonna go here to the right. Close it all the way. Comb it just to check. Now you see it's starting to taper out. Now, I'm gonna take the guard off. I don't use the half guard. To me, when I grew up and I learned how to cut hair, we didn't have that available to us. So I just learned how to do it without it. So I don't even recommend using it, just creates more confusion. So as you can see here, I'm still going the right corner to the right, left corner to the left. Just reducing using half of the blade, right? And combing to make sure. Then I'm gonna go exactly down to my halfway point, left corner to the left, right corner to the right. Down a little bit further, left corner to the left, right corner to the right. And now you've seen me take that taper all the way out. And guess what? That taper probably took a total of 2 whole minutes.